Hello YouTube, welcome to Practice House, and I promise to you that I will bring a lot of practices program for you. So today I am sharing with you in this movie that how we can create a pop-up. It's like this. I show you. Click me to see pop-up. Here is your pop-up. Click the close button and it will move. Okay. So in these tricks there is no JavaScript or nothing. It just used only HTML5 and CSS3. So I created this pop-up with HTML and CSS, and now I'm going to share with you how to create from scratch. So you can see in my desktop here, there is a folder called Popup, and inside the Popup there is another file called popup.html, and I open this file in my editor. Is called bracket. So now we can just minimize these things. So here is my popup.html in a live preview. So whatever I do, you can guys see in a live. Okay. So first of all, we need to create a HTML basic syntax. Oh, everybody knows that. So don't worry, I just start from the scratch. So and then we have HTML, we have our head, then we have our body. In the head, we have our title. So here we just said pop up, okay. And in the body, we just to look nice, we use a div class wrapper. We are taking a wrapper is like a container. And then we are taking a div class. So we're taking 1, 2, 3. So this one will be our header. This one is a very simple design, so don't worry guys about this. I'm just showing you how to create this pop-up. Okay, so don't go for this. So header, content, and a footer. So we use just internal CSS. We are not using any external CSS. So in here we just use our style tag. Okay, then we use our wrapper. Our wrapper is width is around 400 pixel, because my browser is small here, so I'm just fixing the height, fixing the width, that it can be just showing inside here. Okay, so width is 400 pixel, and I'm just putting a border so I can see the things. Solid black, and I'm just putting a background color. It's like, yeah, bit this one. And then the header, we just putting a, let's say the h2, like pop-up examples. And in the footer we are giving you is more information, let's say about documentation. Documentation will be in a www.practicehouse.com. Okay, so in a header and footer and in the content we need a button to click, right? So we need a link, anchor link. So it's thread, we are giving nothing here, and say click me, whatever. These are small things, okay, it doesn't matter. So we just design our header. So now I need to design header and content. So I'm just copying the small design from my here. So you can see the header, I said the header background color is chocolate and the text align is center, and the content is this part. And in this part I just background color is aqua, and the padding is 20 pixel, and the height I said the 400 pixel. So I just want to make it 360 pixel. Okay, so it can frame here. Okay, so here is our click me and everything. Okay, so the content A is I designed like this, the tick decoration none, and you guys already knows that. text align and center, and the padding is this. Okay, so now I need to design the footer also, right? So I do that. I don't copy footer. Background color, I just set, let's say chocolate, same thing, or blue, violet, anything you can guys do, and this text align is center, right? Okay, so text align is center, and here is the things. So now we need to create whatever we are showing in our pop-up. So we go to the here inside the content, we use the class, let's say pop-up. Just use pop-up, and the ID is, let's say pop. Okay, and inside this pop-up we have our div class, let's say pop-up content. Okay, the pop-up content, and inside the pop-up content we have a p. So we have a, inside the pop-up content we have a p, so we are just putting the p's here. So you can see, hey you guys, this is our pop-up examples and practice. So you guys, you can make for yourself as you need, whatever the dummy text is here. So now we have pop-up content, so we have to design our pop-up content. Okay, so after content A, we need to create we need to design our pop-up content. So we are putting our pop-up content is here. So you can see here, this is our pop-up content. So this height is 300 pixel and margin top from here to here is 50 pixel. Okay, and the border height is border radius is 10 pixel and margin left is 20 pixel. So what I am going to do, I am just, it's 0 pixel, and the width, what is the width is, let's say 350 pixel. Okay, so now, okay, I think here I can say 5 pixel. So it looks like in a middle, right? uh, and the p side is, font size is 40 pixel. I'll just make it 36 pixel, so it looks bit nicer here. Okay, and so we have our pop-up content is this. Okay, what is our pop-up content? This is our pop-up content. Okay, so now we have a pop-up and id is pop. So what we are going to do, the pop-up class is pop-up. So in a pop-up, display is none. So now you cannot see the things. Okay, and now we are using this id pop for this href. You can see this one is click me, right? So this one is click me. So we are just setting here the id is pop. Okay, so when id is pop, that means when you are clicking here, you are targeting the id is pop. You can see here id is pop. Okay, so we are saying here in a css that when pop up target, okay, just display block. Okay, so now we see, we click me, you can see here. Okay, but now we need a cross button, right? Then we can close it out, either how to close. If you just you can see here that id is pop. If you just move this one and reload this page, so you are getting nothing. But when you click again, it will come up, but you need to close these things, right? So we just use a small things is here. It's, let's say we take a div class close, and inside this div class we are taking a anchor. The space weight is just nothing here. Okay, and then we just said times. Okay, times is the keyword, so it will give you these small things. Okay, so now you can set the close. You can click here, it close, but it still is here, right? So we need to set the css things to fix these things. So we just put a css here for div class close, and see, we cannot see here. Okay, so when you click you will get these things. And we already I just set the margin only. I just set the margin only and no need this, and the spot is right. So these things is goes to the right section, and the margin is top is 30 pixel, and the left side is right side is 20 pixel. That's it. Okay. So now you can see popup.html and the ID is pop. So when you click here, the ID is nothing. So when again you click here, it can goes to the pop. So this is the very simple things you guys can create, but it looks very simple, right? Click here, it come up. So let's set a small animation is here. Video is going to be longer, but it's fun, guys. So the pop-up content, for pop-up we need to create a small animation. So we use our CSS3 keyframes that calls, let's say we set fade in, and from opacity 0 to opacity 1. Let's try this one. Okay, so we just when target, we just say animation fade in, let's say 1 second. Okay, so now you click here, you can see it come up. It's like softly, right? Not like before. We can say we can do so many things here. Actually, I love this keyframes 10% and let's say 30%. And in a 10% and 30%, it will translate 3D. I put -1 pixel, 0 and 0. Okay, and this and 2 is like 50%. Sorry, I use this one as a 50%. I use this one as a 30%, so it will be more fun. 3% to 90%. Okay, and we use another here is translate 3D. Let's say 4 pixel or 2 pixel will be shaking up. Okay, okay, and we put another one 100% and translate 3D is -2 pixel. It's a bit funny. I don't know how is it like. So let's check it out, guys. So our fade in 10% translation is here 2 pixel 2 pixel. So it will be like we put here 0.5 seconds. So it will be more fun. So click me. It is shaking a bit, right? I think we'll just put this one as 4 pixel. Now you can see here it's shaking a bit. If you said 1.5 seconds. So okay, when you click me, you can see little bit like shaking head. It's funny, right, guys? Okay, then close. So you guys already knows how to create a pop-up with HTML5 and CSS. So simple, guys. Just make it and use it for your project, for your client and whatever. And if you like this video, just show me. Click the like button below there. If you have any question or if you wanna learn more and you wanna do something anything else, just let me know. I will help you guys. And just subscribe my channel to get more practices, programs and examples for your daily life. Okay, and whatever you wanna do, you can just do inside this deep pop-up content, and you can use anything. You can create anything is here. So when you click here, it's here. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and just have fun and keep learning, and I will talk to you in the next video. Till then, have fun and keep learning, man. Bye bye.